Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin on the computer you want to access later. Sign into your Google account, then open Remote Desktop. Google.com/access and download the host installer. Run the installer and follow prompts. Make sure to grant screen sharing and background service permissions so the host stays reachable. Once done, name the device clearly so you can find it in the client list and set a strong 6 or more digit PIN. This PIN protects access, so don't skip choosing a secure number. Once the host app is installed, confirm the device appears online on the access page. Make sure the host app is allowed to run at startup so you can connect after reboots. On Windows or Mac OS, enable the remote service or login item. Install the Chrome Remote Desktop client on your phone or second computer and sign in with the same Google account. Then test a local connection to verify PIN entry and screen responsiveness. This validates permissions and gives you confidence before relying on remote sessions. To connect, open Remote Desktop. Google.com/access or the mobile app, select the named host and enter the PIN you created. You'll see the host desktop and can control it as if you were there. Make sure to end sessions when finished. For security, enable Google two-step verification so account access is protected. If you can't connect, first confirm the host shows online, reboot the host, update the Chrome Remote Desktop app, and inspect firewall settings or corporate VPN rules. These are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.